السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ آج ہم ذکر خیر کر رہے ہیں ڈاکٹر صلاح الدین احمد صاحب کا، جو کہ ہمارے امریکہ کے جو جسد سلانہ کے اوپر لنگر خانہ تھا اس کے وہ پوائنر ہے، انہوں نے فاؤنڈر ہیں اور انہوں نے کئی سال اس کو رن کیا۔ تو ان کی سے چھوٹی بہن کے بیٹے یہاں میرے ساتھ بیٹھے ہوئے ہیں، میں ان سے پوچھوں گا کہ آپ اپنا پہلے تعارف کرائیں۔
السلام علیکم، میرا نام حارث ہے۔ ڈاکٹر صلاح الدین میرے ماموں تھے۔ That's it.
اور کب وہ فوت ہوئے تھے تو یاد ہے؟
2017 18 18 میں فوت
ٹھیک ہے،
ہوئے تھے۔
اوکے۔ کون سا مہینہ تھا؟
سپٹمبر تھا۔
اچھا، کوئی ان کا خاص واقعہ آپ کو یاد ہے کہ آپ کے ساتھ وہ کیسے پیش آتے تھے؟
تو like he was basically like a friend to me، like وہ میرے دوست تھے۔ like وہ جب میرے سے بات کرتے تھے یا دوستی کے ساتھ بات کرتے تھے، like he used to talk to me as if I was his friend. So he would ask me for advice on things and I would ask him for advice on things. For example, like one particular thing he would always ask for advice would be like when he would be getting ready for a wedding, or he would ask me like what color shirt should he match with his pants, or what kind of shalar should he wear with his shalar kameez. And he was like very particular about it, and he wouldn't ask anyone. So like I really found it like I was honored that he always asked me, so I felt like I would have like good advice to give him. Like as a kid, like I felt that like he took a lot of importance in my like advice. So I would always ask him for things. One time, like we were in the car coming back from New Jersey, and this was when I was in like elementary school. So when we first moved to Pennsylvania from New Jersey, I was not that good in my classes in school, and I was getting D, C's, and not A's or anything. And I asked my mamu that like, how can I become a doctor? Like, how do people become a doctor? And he told me that you have to start by getting all A's in your classes. And my first question was, can I get all A's? Like, is that possible? Because I didn't think it was going to be possible for me. And he said, absolutely. Like, you can do anything that you put your mind to. And from then, like, I realized that. And that's first semester in school, I think it was 6th grade. That was my first semester. I got all A's, and I showed him, and he was so proud of me. And he would always encourage me to do like better in my studies, and that's how I became motivated, and that's why I want to be a doctor. And he would just always, the one thing I appreciated most was that he talked to me like a friend. He wouldn't treat me like just another kid. Like even جیسے ابو کبھی مجھے like ڈانٹتے تھے اور پھر گالیاں بھی تھوڑی سی نکالتے تھے، تو ماموں پھر اس کے بعد مجھے like he would be like don't worry, like he has just a like habit of saying bad words, so don't take it personally. So he would make me feel a lot better. And when I would make a mistake and he would catch it, he would really explain, oh, this is how you made the mistake, and this is what you should do better. Instead of getting angry at me, he would explain how I can do better. And that was like the best thing I appreciated the most from him as a person. Like that really showed his humanity. He never got angry at anyone. He never got angry at me. He never yelled at me in my whole life. He never said one like bad word. Like kabhi ek gali nahi nikali unhone. So that's what I appreciated most from him, because I was used to the opposite from my own father.
So اس کے علاوہ کوئی ایسی بات جو ان کی آپ کی اچھی لگی ہو آپ کو، وہ عام دنیا میں جب رہتے تھے، عام زندگی گزارتے تھے، کون سی بات اچھی لگتی تھی آپ کو ان کی؟
That he was very like he valued he didn't like value materialistic things in like life. Like he liked quality over quantity any day. Like so he would like nice things, and he would get things that he likes, but he wouldn't like get it to show off to other people. Like he was very humble, and like that's like I don't see that a lot from a lot of people nowadays. So
نہیں، امریکہ میں بہت سارے ایسے ڈاکٹر ہیں جن کی انہوں نے باقاعدہ ہیلپ کی ہے یہاں پہ میڈیکل لائسنس لینے میں، ریزیڈنسی لینے میں، بلکہ کئی لوگ آئے، کئی پیرنٹس آتے تھے ان کے پاس تو ان کو وہ پوچھتے تھے کہ آپ نے اپنے بچے کو ڈاکٹر بنانا ہے کیسے بنائیں, تو وہ ہیلپ کرتے تھے. آپ نے کبھی دیکھا ایسا واقعہ, کوئی یاد ہے؟
میں ان کے ساتھ ایک دفعہ لائک نیو جرسی میں میں بہت چھوٹا تھا, سو لائک آئی ڈونٹ ریلی ریممبر کون تھا, مگر میں ان کے ساتھ گیا تھا کسی کے گھر, اینڈ دین ہی واز گیونگ them advice about how they should get their son into medical school, and then like پوری میٹنگ ان کی ہوئی تھی like ایک بچے کے ساتھ, like he was trying to get into I think he was trying to pass his boards at that time, and eventually he did, and it was, I remember like that was one time I actually went with him, but I know of like a lot of other people that he used to go help like by himself, and like would always be giving advice on the phone, and anytime someone called him for help he would never like just like وہ کبھی نہیں کہتے کہ like کہتے تھے کہ like okay میں like بعد میں فون کروں گا, and like he'd be like on the spot, like he would stop what he's doing and try to help that person no matter what.
جیسے سلانہ میں کبھی ان کے نگر خانے میں کبھی کام کیا ان کے ساتھ؟
جی,
کیسا ایکسپیرینس تھا؟
it was so like لنگر کھانے میں like he was like totally different, like he was like گھر میں اور لنگر کھانے میں like two different people تھے, like he was so like passionate about what he's doing in the langar khana, so he was always like he wasn't angry, but he was like always, because he had to speak on the top of his lungs and he had a very deep voice. So when I first started in the langar khana as a kid, like when I used to go in the langar khana as a kid, sometimes I would get scared because I'd be like, oh my god, like everyone's yelling, but then I realized like they're just like very passionate about the food, and like they want to do the best, because like that's like what langar khana is, and it's like the langar of promised Messiah. So when I learned the value behind that and what it means to them, the langar khana, then I like enjoyed working there more with him, and I realized why he's so passionate about it.
Okay.
So, very passionate.
Thank you very much. Please share some picture if you have, okay?
Okay.
Send me by phone,
I will.
okay? Take a picture.